So I got this pack of 2 for review. First, make sure everything is nice and clean so that you've got a clean surface to work from. Next, I'm taking the stickers and applying them to the backs of these knobs. Be careful, these are extremely sticky. Press that on nice and tight, get out any air bubbles. These are sized fairly precisely to the size of this rectangle here, but there is a little bit of give on the sides. It's the final countdown. Excellent. Let's put them up. Now, how far out you want to put these away from the wall is really up to you. I'm going to put it somewhere in between because it's such a narrow ledge. Look at this, is my fingertip is touching the back of the wall at its deepest point. It's the length of my finger. All right, here it goes. The thing I'm realizing about this is that this is not limited to an RV shower. This has to have like a ton of applications across various types of shelving situations in any like moving vehicle. This is awesome. Look at this. It's not going anywhere. I absolutely love this. This is a deeper, wider shelf, and it actually slants down. Bottles do not stay on this on their own, let alone when you're driving. So let's install the next one. There we go. So this is going to work in any angled shelf, or if you have a shelf that fits between 2 walls, if it's under 13 inches, this would work great there. Look at that. That's fantastic. Something I did with this one that I didn't do or think about with the one above here is that it has these little things right here. I got smart and I angled these up so that these are now an extra little hook to hang things like this. This is awesome. Super easy upgrade to your RV lifestyle.